Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson and I'm a certified life coach. So this is my series of videos on 21 days to a more attractive and happier you. Yesterday was day 3 and we did a deep breathing relaxation. Today we're going to do a meditation to let go and release. And meditation is a fantastic way to find inner peace. Now if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And remember, sharing is caring. But let's go ahead and get started. So in this short video, I'm going to introduce a release and let go meditation. Now meditation is a fantastic way to find happiness, inner peace, and it actually improves your health too. There's a story about an Indian princess, and she had this beautiful necklace and couldn't find it. She looked all over and couldn't find the necklace. And then finally someone came up to her and said, "You're wearing it." It's the same with happiness. We have inner peace and happiness. We just have to access it. It is there all along, and that is what meditation does. If you think about a river, at the top there may be rocks and everything, and its rapids are going, but at the bottom it's calm. And you have that calmness in your mind. And by accessing that, you will be happier and more attractive. So how do we meditate? This is going to be a very simple one. I want you to sit in a chair with your back erect. Close your eyes, and I want you to just silently repeat to yourself, Om. O-M, Om, Om. That is a sacred symbol, a sacred sound that will connect you with Source. And that's all you have to do. Set a timer for maybe just 5 minutes, and just silently keep repeating that. Om, Om, Om. Now thoughts are going to come. But think of them like clouds in the sky. Don't interact, just let them go. Let them go. Don't entertain them. And then at the end of 5 minutes, slowly open your eyes and see how much calmer you will feel. This is a release and let go. It's letting you be in control and conquering and getting that inner peace and happiness that is there for you to access. So, I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. And if you enjoy the videos, please hit that subscribe button. See you tomorrow.